Hey, where am I? What happened? Ooh, so much garbage. Oof, it's everywhere, literally everywhere. Yuck! Oh, here she is. Hi, dear. I'm right here. Ew, this is so gross. Just let me take a look. Oh my gosh, my face! It's so dirty now.
Achoo! Geez, I guess I've got a cold.
Where's the basket? Huh? Napkin? Wow, thank you! The what? My face! Where's my face? I need to bring it back. Quick, where is it? But there's nothing here. Oh no!
Honey, look what I've got for you.
Thanks, Dad. Yuck! I guess I'm not that hungry.
Hey, what is it? Fruits? I've got an idea. With this, I can finally bring my face back. Oh, it worked? Whew, it did. Well done, Barbie. It's also maybe a good lipstick. Amazing. And it tastes wonderful. Ew, my dress. It's so messy now.
Where was it? Aha! My favorite! Ew!
Huh? Wow, right. This will be the best dress I've ever had. I just need to stick it all up together, piece by piece. Isn't it wonderful? It looks amazing.
Ouch!
Stupid banana.
What? What is it? Oh my gosh!
Ha! Silly boy!
Ow, careful! Ow! Oh boy, I'm stuck. Only, hey, it might be a nice car, yeah? Let me think. Right, first I need to paint it. Just what I need. Let's squeeze it. Aha! Now this? Nah, I better use my hand instead. This way it will be much more fun. One thing is done here. Oh, and this looks like a wheel. I just need to add one more detail. Nice! Now put it here, and here, and then add it everywhere. Cool! Oh, my heart! Yes, darling! I will add you too. I always listen to you, dear. So lovely.
Oh, wow! It's so awesome! Huh? Sorry, Ken.
Oof. Oh, Barbie. I missed you so much.
Not so fast. You need to fix your face first.
Okay, no problem. Here, pick one.
Wow!
Aha! The best I've got!
This looks nice. Let's try it one.
Curious, but what is that?
Oops. Let's try another one. Here it is. This one is even worse. Maybe this one then?
Oh! Hello?
What? You're not my Ken? I need to fix it. Quick, this will help.
Wait! Ooh, feels weird, but... Oh, Barbie, thank you.
Wow!
Huh? A car?
Hey!
Wow, this is amazing.
But Ken, it is my car.
Your car? Nah. It's my car now. Thanks for the ride. Call me if you need anything. Bye-bye.
That is way too much.
Yahoo!
Oh!
Huh?
This little one is really fast.
Oh, forget it. He'll bring it back eventually. Huh? Right, this one may be a great accessory. Just bend it here and stick the ends together. It looks beautiful! Wow!
Yeah, I've told him that, but he...
Oh, the phone, right! Hello? Barbie? It's dead. Ah, I know what to do. I will make a new one with my own Barbie design. Let's add a few drops of shining. A mouthful of happiness. I hope nobody has seen it. And a few drops of pure love. That was powerful! And now I need to mix it all up thoroughly. Done. Let's check the result. Here it is! Amazing! Right the way I wanted it. Let's call her up. Hi, Barbie. Hi, Barbie. How are you? You won't believe this! Ken took my car. And left me rotting here. I don't know what to do. Gosh! Alright, where is this pig?
Yeah, rolling like a king! Yoo-hoo! Hey, move away, move!
Oh, hi, Ken! Oh, Ken? Get in!
Ouch, it hurts!
On your feet! Hi, Barbie! Ken?
I'm sorry.
Good boy. My car, it's back! Thank you so much! I'm so excited, thank you! You're welcome, Barbie! Bye, loser. Bye, Barbie! Oh, you're still here?
Barbie, I'm so sorry.
Go away!
Oh, I know what to do. This will cheer you up a bit. You gonna like it?
Nice try.
I'm sure you will. Barbie, look what I've made for you!
Pathetic.
Just wait, I will show you. Let me open it up and voila, we're at the sunny beach.
Oh, wow! Huh?
Barbie! Barbie! Where are you, dear?
I'm here! I'm here! I'm still in my box?
But please don't leave me.
Bye-bye, darling.
Oh, here she is!
No, please stay. I cannot live without you. Oh, Barbie, please forgive me. I was so stupid.
Oh, hi, beautiful! I finally found you!
What are you doing in here? Timmy! Move!
Wow! What a magical place! Wow! I'm not at the dream house anymore! What is she doing? Okay, hi! Who are you? Gross! You look just like my doll! Unbelievable! It's Barbie! You guys have to see this! Wow, she's real! Wow, look at her shoes! Wow, you are so beautiful! It's amazing!
Let's check out her skirt!
Sorry, I gotta go. But Barbie, wait! You can't leave! Barbie! Stop chasing me! Get her!
Yeah!
Wait, I think I might be lost.
Come here!
Whoa! I can...
Hold this.
I think she's in here. Have you seen Barbie?
Nope, sorry.
What? Just cleaning. So dirty.
Whew, that was close.
It sure was. I miss my old clothes. So much prettier, right?
Listen, we really need to get out of here. Quickly, come on!
Hello? Where is Barbie?
Get inside.
Such a gentleman.
Stay here, okay?
Okay. Well, hi, friends.
Crazy lady.
Wait! What are you doing? Hello! Huh? Something feels weird. Let's see. It's some sort of brown goo. Just chocolate. So fun!
I think we lost him. But you should still hide.
Oh.
Library is still okay? We don't have much time.
Hey, bro! I'm home!
Hey, what's up? Ugh. What'd you do to her?
Timmy, let's play! Come on! Got it! Headless Barbie! Headless?
Maybe some other time, okay?
Fine! But you're next!
She needs medication. It's all clear.
That was terrifying! I need to call a doctor!
Did you say doctor?
Nobody's there! Hello? Anybody?
Anything good on telly?
Breaking news. Tonight, a real-life Barbie was seen at Lala High School. If you have any information about her, please call the number below.
Smokes, you made the news! So you're really
Hello?
Barbie?
Yes, I'm real. And there is my cab. Bye!
Wait, you can't fit in that thing! I think it's too small for you.
It's not working!
Barbie, it's gonna be okay.
I want to go home.
Wait, I know how to cheer you up.
I miss the dream house. What's that smell? Wow, smells amazing. I love fruit. I could snip this stuff all day. Wow, so yummy. I'm not sad anymore.
I got us a pizza. What are you doing?
Oh, you want to try some?
No, I have real food, see?
Wow, how interesting. Is that cheese? What a glorious feast. So nice.
Wait, you gotta bite it. Then chew. See?
Bite it and chew. Oh, wow! I have never tasted anything like this before. It's like a body in my mouth. I'm swimming in sauce, baby. More cheese? Oh, yes, please. This is the best thing ever.
Barbie?
Wow, it's just so good. I never want to stop eating. More. More.
What? But I've only had one piece.
That was incredible. What happened to my stomach? I feel like I'm gonna burst.
That's what we call a food, baby. Don't worry, I'll help you. Ta-da!
What's this? And how do I use it?
You need to push. Come on.
Push? You got it. I think it's working. Wow.
Barbie? You done?
Everything is okay now.
Whoa, you pooped? Okay, never mind. I have a surprise for you. Ready?
Wow, look at all this clothes. This is like paradise. And everything is pink. Amazing. I want to try everything on. First up, a baby pink set. Perfect for the beach. Catch. Or what about this silk number? This is fabulous, so what? Or maybe something more spotty. What do you think?
Man, I'm so bored. Guess you found something. Oh, more? That's like shopping spree. I think that's enough.
Over here. Hi, guys. You don't say much, do you? So rude. But this gives me an idea. This is gonna be fun.
Barbie, where are you? So strange. Barbie?
You found me! Look at this!
Huh?
Those two dressed together, pose together! Right?
Okay, you got me. Come on.
Okay, but I think it's time for some new shoes!
Just sit right there. We'll find you some shoes in no time. Come on, show her. See anything you like?
Wow! Those are cute! The high heel!
Oh, nope. This one's better. Trust me. Just try it. Come on, get in there. I know it'll fit. Just a little bit further.
I don't know if that's my size.
Come on! Uh-oh. Watch out! Oh, that was close.
Give me those.
You nearly killed me, but thank you for your business. Cash or credit? So expensive.
Don't worry, I got it. Cash, please. Bye.
Bye. What a nice couple. Wait a minute! This is Barbie Cash! I can't believe this! They robbed me blind! Somebody call the authorities! Help me! My life is over!
Home, sweet home. What a fun afternoon. What's next?
Depends on how much cash I have. Yep, I know. I'm gonna get a surprise for you.
A surprise! Hey, the lights! Hello! Is anybody home? Who's there? And what's with the lights? Hello! Oh, wait a minute. Is that Headless doll? Oh, poor Barbie. Wait, there's so many of them. The horror. Oh no. Ah! I won't let that happen to me. Apple. Oh, it's Timmy's sister. Hi. That's right. Hi, Barbie. Let's play.
Barbie, I'm home! What the?
Will you pass the sugar? Timmy, you're back. Would you like to join us?
No, thank you.
It's okay. Can I play outside?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. This was fun. Totally. Bye.
See ya! She has changed a lot.
Yeah. Look, she left her Barbies. Oh, hi, Barbie. Hi, Ken. Well, look at that.
What?
Sit down.
Huh?
It's your turn for some pampering. Hang on tight.
What'd you do to my hair? Huh? I feel different.
You look awesome. And this is my house.
Wow. Do you want me to come into your world?
If you would, I'd love to have you. Well,
I'd love to see where you live.
I'm so glad. Come on in. Welcome to my world.
Cool.